Hello guys, in this video we will start with adding the new project to our portfolio. So from the left option you can see there is option to add the new project. So let's click here and you can see the new window has opened. So from here you have to select the EPS, that is enterprise project structure. So we will click this three dot. Let us add the new project in this training EPS. Here you can see these are the EPSs such as TN, ENC, Energy, Manufacturing, Product Development, Corporate, IT. You can also add your own EPS, but for now we will add the project in this EPS only, that is TN, that is training. So click on next. So first you have to click the EPS, that is we have selected the training. Then let's click next. Name the project ID. Let us name the project ID as TR-1 and the project name will be TRAIN training 1. Then we will click next. The project planned start. So today is 5th of October. So we will plan that the project will start from today, and we won't enter the finish date. Let's click on the next option. So responsible manager will be enterprise only. We won't do anything here for now, right now. And the rate will be standard rate. You have the option to change the rate, also internal rate, price per unit. We will explain this later to you. So let's click finish. So here you can see the new project has been added to our portfolio. So the project TR1 is the project code and training 1 is the name of the project. So for the instance, you can just even change the name of the project from here. Let us say you don't want to name it as training 1, you want to name it as my project. So this is how you can change the project name, and in such way you can also change the project code from here. Okay, so this was the way how to create the new project, and since we have created the new project, let's open it. To open the project, we have to do right click here, and then there is option to open project. So let's click it. So this is the dashboard for our project, that is my project, with project name as TRs-1.